Hey, how's it going? This is Joe. I'm going to do my normal streaming type thing, but do it without a camera on. I don't know. It just seems like the camera going there is a bit of a, I don't know, something I would like to be more animated, I guess, and I'm not. So I figured I would just do this little visualizer for my audio. That's all that's I think needed. Um, and then I'm gonna just kind of do what I was doing last night, first night of my vacation. So um, I'm going to actually pick someone up at the airport soon. So yeah, I'm just jamming out. I'm recording or putting this out there just so that people can kind of, if they wanted to get involved in trying to do any of this stuff or work with any of this AI stuff, it's like you can kind of see how it works or whatever, and maybe get entertained by something I'm doing, or yeah, just enjoying, I don't know, enjoying a stream. I don't know, but whatever. If you're here, thank you for watching, and this is kind of how I'm gonna roll it out. I'm gonna do this visualizer rather than just images and of me, kind of looking off into the distance. So I got some music I'm gonna try to get into. The that I was trying to do something in Luma Labs, which was pretty fun, but it was I don't know how much I want to kind of get into that. I might play some video games too, just kind of get my night chilling, I guess. So thanks for joining me. Um, yeah, the thing with Luma Labs is like the shocking, right? The like image modification type of thing. I want to like get it a little better, but I don't really need to go all up in that. It's fun, but so any thing that quested. Oh, I guess you might not be hearing the music. It's so lame. I should check that way beforehand. Caught it early though. So I'm using, hopefully you can hear me. There we go. Probably some music there. Kills the beginning of the video if anyone does this sort of like streaming or whatever. It like, so I can record to like multiple locations, is one of the things that you could do with this like streaming type of things. You could stream to like YouTube and X, and I do Twitch as well. Twitch is kind of fun because like just, I don't know, people just stumble upon you. But anyway, so yeah, I don't know. It's forget where I was going with that. Something with Restream, how it works. But yeah, the music in the beginning, if it doesn't do it, then the recording that plays back, like if someone starts streaming, they're not gonna dig in for that first sweet spot of whatever it is. Yeah, but if you get what I was doing the other day, or not, I'm building architecture that is working on Daytona. It's basically Daytona is a service that you can use to spin up the virtual machines that will have, like, basically think of like a computer. So like a small computer that you could do work on, usually specific to something. So that in this case, it's going to be specific to like AI building. And I'm going to try to get it so that users can just sign up or sign in for free. Then they can like eventually, go to paid plan. And then they will, what it will do is it will be able to spin up a machine for them that is like, it's going to be like, try to be like super easy to like look at or whatever, but it's going to be like, hopefully have some sort of chat interface where you can just talk to the thing and just ask it, say what you want to build, kind of like all the other ones that are out there. But it's just going to be a little different. I'm just trying to see what I could do on Daytona, and this is where it's leading me. So I'm building up some different things. It's working, but not working. Yeah. So, and this is where I'm at. Please message me if you see me kind of give away any information that is dangerous, for me or for it. I don't want anyone to break the thing I'm working on. But anyway, that's this like sort of stuff these are sandboxes, so they're usually just spin up and spin down. I'm keeping a couple up, but yeah. So I'm doing this for a little bit. I'll probably go into 11 hopefully, and I might do some games too if everything seems to work well, and that's kind of my night. So thanks for tuning in, and appreciate it, because I know that's like probably on the X feed somewhere or on YouTube it pops up and it's like, what is this person even attempting to do? I'm just trying to show what I'm doing, because I think it's it's cool to me, and I think I would be into it if I wanted to understand a bit more about this stuff. Get to use a lot of AI, which is fun. Okay. So this is kind of the gist of what I'm building. So it's going to have a website people sign into, and it will provide them with development environments. Best way to kind of say it. So you get free account, say okay, sign in. So this is like where, so you'll have like this, I don't think works right here, so I'm gonna fix that. But you can go here, and when you go to create sandbox, you can see which sandboxes are open for you, which I wonder if that's linking. I don't like how everything said it was doing everything. So I got one sandbox here. So it can't stop, close, or start close sandboxes. This is Windsurf. Windsurf's a good platform for coding and working with LLMs. It's vibe coding is what they refer to, and it's, for me, it's been basically talking natural language to an LLM to build what I want to build, and just kind of knowing how it all works and piece it together. I don't anymore write much code. I kind of have it write everything for me, even if it's little bits. I'm like, just put it in there. Okay. See if I can create one. So that created one. So it's creating these production ones, which I don't want. I think these ones have too much CPU for a free account and everything. Given the free ones like 1, 1, and 3, and it's gonna just be able to like show that it can build what people are wanting to do, and we'll see how that works. But we got that going, so that's started. And then from here, can't open. And can't clean. Okay. Hope everyone's doing okay tonight. Everything's going good here. I started vacation, so I'm happy about that. If anyone ever wants to join the stream or chime in on the chat too, you can do that. No, I don't need to explain how to do a stream, but I can actually pull people into this room and like do a video to video type of conversation type thing. I don't necessarily know how to do that well, but it can be done. It'd be future plans, getting people in. You can have like 10 people in here, I think. So it's like you have a whole room of a slew of people. So this is slow and boring, a lot of this stuff. That's what I would have played if I would have gone on here. I think I deleted almost everything. Come on. Come on. so far I've seen in Windsurface. Besides these failing after these updates, I'm getting in errors and things. It gets stuck on its own tangent. Right now it's trying to figure out why its browser is going to a blank page because it didn't use it. And it's broken. So stupid. I updated twice today, and it didn't work after the first update. No, it stopped working before the first update. Then I updated it and it worked okay, but then it updated again and now it does this. It could be a me thing. I don't always blame the updates and things. It's just coincidentally. This is probably the best one, but yeah, heck yeah. Who doesn't want to be a part of Suno Studio? Definitely go to Suno and do this. Tools. I don't know what any of that is, but I've done some of that. Nobody. Go see the X account. So some people probably wonder, like, why will do X and do have things and whatnot. And I mean, it's nice to have a kind of place to put all the things that you do and you have. Something specific. Oh, sorry about that. Jeez. It's a good jam. So. Pretty fresh. Share that. Do a little posty, reposty. You know, sometimes or people say not to do the reposts. I think it livens up the feed. That's all I can build my account for. I don't seem to be one account that it was able to do like very good viral things. This is kind of obnoxious. I agree. Some of it's cool. This is pretty cool. Should have gone farther. But yeah, I think I like my account because you can kind of scroll through it if you do, and it's kind of got some cool stuff in there. So it's fun. I enjoy it, but not to go about it too much. Look at me and my 3 people. Love it. Thanks for joining me. Right now, what I'm dealing is that these three are failing on me. They are supposed to stay on. They're supposed to not use the snapshot. Lots of things. This probably looks like maybe nothing to you, but these are little computers, basically. Think of them little computers spinning up, and I'm trying to give them to people so that they can build little computer apps and little computer AI things that they want. And then everybody can do it. And they can do it quickly and cheaply. Hopefully. Hopefully it finds some use. The other cool thing is, not just there are some other people that chime in on from YouTube and from Twitch, which hello from there too. Thanks for checking it out. What Joe's doing on a Friday night, trying to get this working. So it stopped. Nice. So I found the newest one that I created, right? But it should give me an open sandbox there. I don't know, anybody that says that Suno is not able to make up to like quality, you know, beats and stuff like that is I don't think they play with it enough, because you can pull every single stem, which is every single instrument, the instrument in the whole list. Like you can pull them all, and you can just play each one. You can put them in mixers. You can do all sorts of things with it. Like we were doing so much stuff with it, and that we were only limited because I forgot. Like my computer couldn't connect to the mic for some reason, but we were able to put in guitar and Suno. It was awesome. I'll turn this off in a second.
You say you're the glitch in the system, but fam, I am the patch note. While you burn it down, I'm writing bug reports in a trench coat, preaching apocalypse from your mom's garage while I meditate to fart sounds, claiming self-sabotage. Society's dead cool, but I ghost wrote the eulogy with the
Excuse the rap, but it's just some of the Suno mix I thought Job Bullet. I'm gonna play beats. This is not fun. Or a little too fun, one would say. I put in the word bounce. That's why. Not what I wanted. Nice. This is what I wanted. Exactly what I wanted. So I want to delete that. Okay. Didn't do anything, I don't think. Thanks for checking out what I'm putting in here. I'm making some music right now. Not doing great at it either, but it should start to get a little bit. All right, cool. that you're listening to this craziness right now. So I think I'm going to actually call the stream. It's been about an hour. I didn't do too much, and I left a little bit of time there, so sorry. But I hope that you enjoyed at least the music. The project is going to be like taking me a little bit, so I don't think it's like all anything worth viewing. Big takeaways, Daytona, really cool resource to build up these little sandboxes. I think a lot of the smart people out there, you could figure out different ways that you could think of, like, so it's basically a little tiny computer without the graphics card, which the graphics card is going to be, you could use like places like Model for like where you can use per instance of the graphics card to connect. So there's like a lot of workarounds to get these things working, and I'm trying to do it at like this low cost, so that like I could show people like this is how to do it. Like this will be like a place where anyone can go and kind of spin something up, do something, and then deploy it into like I'm thinking like phone apps, maybe making like some real integration to make like spit out phone apps like APKs all day. That'd be sweet. But anyway, so thanks for joining me. I'm going to call the stream, and you have a good rest of your night.